Here we have taken a sheet making a line on the behind, and according to that we have cut it up and now folding the each line in this way, making a cut to make the tail. Now it's turn to make its face. A fish is ready. In the next here we are using a thermocol, making a cut in between and now removing all the portion, putting the base of the glass, cutting it up in this way and making its wings. So basically it's a fish, making the face, coloring it up with green, more fish like that. In the next here we are using a circular shape of sheet, making a sketch. So it's a basically shark, more shark like that. Amazingly done. In the next here we are using as ice cream stick, knotting it up with this thread, or you can use a woolen thread as we are using here, and now putting the face. So it's a turtle, it's ready. In the next here we are using this strip, making the face, making an eyes, and now rolling the whole strip on the upward side. It's a snail. In the next here we are making a mark on the thermocol glass, and as per the mark we are making a cut, and now it's turn make a line on the downward side with the help of pencil. In this way we are folding it up, coloring it up, now making a hole in between using a straw. So it's a wind wheel is ready. In the next here we are using the thermocol glass and now making a cut in this way as you can see in the video, and now it's turn to color it up, making a sketch in this way. So any guesses what it could be? It's an elephant. Amazingly done. In the next here we are using the cylindrical shape of sheet, putting it with the black, now putting the white. So it's a penguin. It has a Santa Claus cap on its head. In the next here we are using a different circular shape of the sheet, folding it up, making its eyes. Another way of crab is ready, making its leg with the help of marker, and it's done. In the next we have used a thin strip and folding it in this way, pasting it over the yellow sheet, putting the red circular sheet on the downward side in this way, putting the leaf, making a sketch, and a flower is ready. In the next we are using a real leaf to outline over the white sheet and outline it with the help of black marker, now making a color, and it's done. Vibrant color is ready. Now it's turn make its body. So we are using here a straw and it's done. In the next here we are using a sheet, making a plate, and now it's turn to make cut in the triangle shape. Now putting the leaf over the yellow sheet, putting these triangle shape of sheet over the yellow, and it's a pineapple is ready. In the next here we are using a yellow sheet, making a fold in this way, and after this done, making a hole on the each corner, putting this toothpick. It's a shape. Now it's turn to make a dragon, to put it on the backward and forward side of the board. It's ready. In the next you don't need to use this tape anymore if you have this glue pen. So just what you do is put it up on the sheet in this way. It works very well. We are going to use this pen glue over this strip, putting more strip like that, and using that pen glue, putting this heart shaped flower in this way. It's done. So that's all. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.